Hello, I'm Dr. Angela Moore and I'm going to tell you about my software VisualrotaX. It runs in Excel and uses an open architecture so you can add your own reports and new functions to suit your requirements. Using VisualrotaX, you can create shift patterns in minutes. The software is designed to make running and creating shift patterns easy. It shows all relevant information at a glance. Night shifts are highlighted for easy identification. A count is kept of the number and type of shifts scheduled each day. If you are under or overstaffed, it is highlighted in red. Holiday management is simplified with 6 shifts being highlighted in red and holidays in yellow. Report tables are automatically created so that you can always keep track of staff's hours and absence statistics. Whatever type of shift pattern you are operating, VisualrotaX can help you run it better.